Oh, Lake Elsinore. Yeah, another video about the 1980 flood. This is Spring Street and Lake Shore. You know, in the 1970s, this Spring Street here, you'd be able to drive across the lake bottom all the way to Grand Avenue. Then the water level started rising. We had some good rain started in 1978. The lake level came up pretty good, and we had some bass in here. And people were catching bass, African perch, and all that. Then the 1980 flood came. I'll give you an idea. A lot of you come down here to Lakeshore in the spring, see that little place. There's a few more of them, and those went into the water. Yeah. Of course, this little spot here was just an empty field. I don't remember what the property line is, but then it was a campground, down camp. It was named Downtown Camping. There's another one, then it was the Panacea. Yeah. I used to get out here early in the morning, see some people I know. I'd come down here and fish. An old man, him and a buddy, would come down here into Spring Street to the lake. I'd be careful about really running your little boats and water skiing a certain part along the edge of the lake, because could be a fence post sticking up somewhere. Alright, and you end up getting harpooned. Yeah, they blocked this off. I think it's kind of chicken shit. I mean, all the way into that, you see the fence goes into the water. Over there, where that big tree is, that was a campground there. You walk down toward the end of the lake, there was a house there that got flooded out, I think in 1978. But 1980, all this went on the water. Yep. FEMA and Red Cross. You know, everybody went down to the elementary school, sleep on bunk beds, and I ended up catching strep throat. Red Cross came down over there, and they took me down to the hospital and all that. Got me some medication. And we didn't know it, but later on down the road, we get a letter stating the Red Cross paid my medical bill. Yeah. So all you see this video, and when they ask you, you want to donate money to the Red Cross, do it. You never know. You know, everybody donated $1. You know, that'd be a big plus. You know, some can give, some can't. Some can give a lot more. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Here we got this barricade. That's stupid. Look how stupid they are. Here's the barricade. What do you see? Yeah, the fire hydrant. Those barricades should be moved back to the other side of that fire hydrant. They get the fire truck right at the pump, at the hydrant there, instead of rolling out a whole long hose. And this ground level for where downtown camping was, the ground level was built up higher I think because of the 1978 water level was raising in the lake. Yeah. So, this is floodland. And hope they did their math right. That dike. Oh yeah. I'm telling you right now, if we ever get hit with a water level rushing in like they did in 1980, I think it's going to force Riverside Drive to get flooded out. Yeah, they almost took out the airport. Yeah, a bunch of people went down there, started sandbagging. And along Spring Street, went to town to do some little businesses. People were sandbagging there. Army Corps engineers came in. Then we had the looky-loos coming around, see if they could play on people's misery. He had some old rich guy, you know, military personnel, whatever, and shit. He was just a looky-loo. I said, we needed any blankets. He didn't do shit. Alright, end of my video. Thank you. I was telling you, please support the American Red Cross. I'm one who knows for sure that they do help people. And FEMA, they came in over off Lincoln Street. You go back in a ways, you see some mobile homes they put in there for those people, for flood victims. My parents didn't get one. They should have, because all those mobile homes, they turned around and sold them to the people for $1. $1. Now, I don't know if that included the land it was on, or they had to move them to a park. I know one lady got one. She's got moved it to a piece of property. Yeah. So, all right. Anyhow, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, they should move this K-rail here back on the other side of that hydrant. Yep. I'm sure those fire hoses get heavy. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.